When you look at an engine, horsepower is one of the things you look for. But is that horsepower everything you expect? The power on the label might look big and impressive, but actually deliver less performance than expected. So how do you know the power you expect is the power you get? Easy. Look for a Kawasaki engine. Kawasaki critical power engines are power tested and precision rated to some of the toughest standards in the industry. Power test results are verified by outside experts and certified by SAE International, the worldwide authority on engine power standards. Kawasaki critical power engines deliver at least 98% of rated horsepower. That's not intended power, it's proven power. With Kawasaki engines, the power you expect is the power you get. Tested, proven, trusted. So don't settle for sort of power. Get sure power, only from Kawasaki. Look for Kawasaki critical power engines. More power to you.